Hey, casual crypto investor family. It is the casual crypto investor, and I'm back with some breaking news that we found out today, which I'm super excited to share. We got some news in regards to finally, I feel like The Rock, finally, XRP ETF is on the way. Super excited about this. Not a long video, but definitely a strong video in regards to what we know so far in regards to the XRP ETF, which should be coming out sometime this week. All right. So save the suspense. All right. I got some information I'm going to share with you in regards to that. Hopefully you'll like the content. If you do like my content, make sure you subscribe. Really helps out the channel. Greatly appreciate it. And let's get into it. So right now, currently, the crypto market is down almost 3%. We're sitting at a $3.47 trillion market cap. Bitcoin is currently up right now on the 1 hour and the 7-day, but it is down on the 24-hour, sitting slightly above $100,000 right now. Ethereum just below $3,500, but it is up almost 6% over the past 6 days, which is good to see. XRP has been doing awesome. And let me just make sure I refresh my screen, make sure I'm bringing you the most accurate, because it was as high as 14%, maybe a couple of minutes ago or so, but now it's creeped down to roughly about 9%. We're sitting at $2.40 right now. So, man, I think one of the reasons why XRP is up over the 7 days is because some of the news that I'm going to be sharing with you shortly. All right. Quick shameless plug. Make sure to follow me on X if you want to stay updated in regards to what's happening, not just in the crypto space, but with the casual crypto investor. So if you'd like to follow me on there, make sure to do that. Sometimes it's easier for me to tweet than it is for me to make a video. And so if you want to stay locked in with me, make sure to follow me on X. So I saw this tweet from Eleanor Tourette today and had to share it. Just awesome news, man. Like my heart is like jumping for joy because like, man, it's been a journey, guys. Okay. And I think, hopefully things are going to get a lot better in the very near future. So we have right here, Canary Funds has filed its Form 8A document. This is the final step before it goes effective at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Wednesday. Once the Nasdaq certifies the listing, when that happens, the last hurdle is cleared and the first XRP spot ETF will be set to launch Thursday at open market, guys. Man, it has been a long time coming. I'm going to play a video for you. Shout out to Paul Barron. He's been knocking out the park in regards to a lot of the crypto content and as well as XRP updates. And so I'm going to share a video shortly in regards to some, kind of forecasting what they sort of see with the XRP ETF. And hopefully you will be as happy as I am. All right. And also too, as well, this did make somewhat national news in terms of Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance, a lot of people read their content. I'm sure they have probably thousands or maybe millions of people that read Yahoo Finance. But they did announce it on there too as well that the Canary Capital XRP ETF will get approved with the form will hopefully get filed, and that way the XRP ETF will get approved. So this is great to hear. Sorry, I was getting a phone call there. So it says right here, Canary XRP ETF gets automatic approval for Nasdaq listing as the issuer submitted the 8A filing with the US SEC. The spot XRP ETF is expected to start trading later this week, which is just amazing news. All right. So guys, let me know what you think about this. I'm going to leave you out with this video with Paul Barron talking with Stephen McClurg, who's over at Canary Capital, to kind of give his feedback and opinion on what he sees with this XRP ETF. So guys, if you enjoyed this content, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.
When you look at the flow that we've seen with Solana, the BSOL, Bitwise did a great job getting that one out on the ground, and absolutely crazy numbers. One of the best performing ETFs that we've seen so far, especially in digital assets. How do you think these XRP ETFs will perform against that?
Yeah, I actually think that XRP will probably double what Solana did in its first week and even today, as far as volume and as far as total AUM. If you just even look at the market caps of the two tokens, XRP is about 50% higher than Solana. Yeah. But the difference is, and we experienced this with HBAR last week or 2 weeks ago now, the HBAR ETF experienced $70 million in inflows just in the first 3 days. And it's because it's really well known among institutional circles and enterprise investors. Yeah. So even though it's not a big retail product, it doesn't have a ton of volume, it's got the right kind of interest. And that's how XRP is. Solana is probably a little bit more of a retail token. XRP is much more of a financial services, enterprise, institutional token. And when you put that into an ETF, even though it's only 50% more market cap, it'll probably be 100% or 200% more inflows because of the institutional audience.